Hey everyone, how are you all? We are on the last countdown days till Christmas. And I found that card that I was looking for, and I think it was Alex who in the comments down below claimed it as hers. So Alex, I have found it, and so I'm going to jump right in and open it. So as you can see, she done these purple doodles on there. We've got a little snail because her name is her YouTube name is A Bullet for my snail mail. I will link it down below, guys. And so let's get in. Oh, super cute, super cute. This is like a bookmark. So let's have a look. She's made this gorgeous card. It says merry and bright there, and she's actually used some snowflake paper in the background. We've got some holly. It is school holidays already, so my kids are off, so you will hear them in the background. And absolutely gorgeous. Oh, and inside we've got some lovely I think these are stickers. I think they're stickers. Cute penguin. I love penguins. We've got some gorgeous little snowflakes there, and a couple of more penguins. So cute. And then it says, dear Cheryl family, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Lots of love, Alex. Yeah, there we go. A bullet for my snail mail. That's her name here on YouTube. So I will be linking that in the comment section down below. So thank you, Alex, for the Christmas card. And then let's have a look at this. So I think it is a bookmark, and she's put penguins. Is it because she knows I like penguins, do you think? I don't know. It's got loads of penguins. I love penguins. I think they're so cute. And then inside here we've got a cute little penguin dangle, and then we've got it on a penguin card. I think this is a printable, or maybe she's cut this out on one of those machines. Super cute. Love it. I think, yeah, is that like a little paper clip she's put that on? So cute. Thank you, Alex, for that. They're so cute. I can actually put this on my little album that I've made, and this could actually be used as a bookmark. I could laminate it, couldn't I? So that's so cute. Thank you, Alex, so much for sending that to me. And then I wanted to show you the cards that I had made. So these were the beautiful embellishments that some of you guys had sent in. I wanted to just share some of the cards that I had actually made with some of them, and then also that paper pad that I was just so excited to use from Photoplay. And like in this one, you can see that I've actually used the stencil there in the background, and then I've added some of those beautiful ephemera pieces that Barbara sent to me. And then these were some stamps and bits that I had already coloured and embossed, glossy accented. I always forget the name of that. And then I've put some of those little stars there, and I've got wishing you a very Merry Christmas. And then just around the edge, I wanted to create just a hand-drawn border to go along with these trees. So yeah, I was really happy with the way that that one turned out. Here's another one. This was a lovely piece that was gifted from Jessica Marvel, and I've just added again, put it on the background from that little kit, that little collection, and added a few pieces. Well, this was gifted, and then these few pieces that I had in my collection, this stamp that I've coloured. So that was that one. So cute. And then this was a lovely ephemera piece, this middle part, that was gifted, I believe, from Pip. And I've just added a couple of bits in just to around the edge, the gingerbread man and a little reindeer and the Christmas jumper, and that is on the background of that lovely paper. And then again here we've got a couple of bits that I've combined together, and these were from the lovely Monica, her snowflakes, and then the lovely piece again from Barbara, and then a few bits I had from my own Christmas collection. I think these came out so cute, these cards. Absolutely gorgeous. This was a lovely piece gifted from, I believe it was Alex. And I've again used this inked background from the lovely stencils. This was the 2-part stencil, which I've not had a 2-part stencil before, so that was really fun to use. And then I've included some of these, well, it's like a poinsettia flower and some holly, and that was from the Prima collection. And then I had this stamp, Let Your Christmas Be Bright and Merry, and I've put that on a glitter background, and I thought that was super cute. And this one I thought it didn't need anything else added to it, so I just put that on another inked background with the Holly Jolly from that collection. And this again I believe was from Pip, and yeah, I thought it made a really cute card there. And then this one actually didn't use any of the ephemera from the giveaway, but it did use the background from that paper collection. And then I had these bits, these baubles that were gifted to me, and the ribbon quite a long time ago. And then the rest of it, the holly and things, I had in my collection. And it just says happy holidays. So those were the cards that I've been working on, and I just wanted to show you some of the ones that I had come up with. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. If you want to leave in the comments what you think about the cards that I've made, I'll be happy to see what you think. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your evening, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.